Your switches are utter garbage. Welcome to Switch or Which, a short Switch review segment where we talk about switches and whether if we should switch them or witch them, because witches get burned back then. So today's victim, the Gateron Type R, a super unique tactile switch that offers no pre or post linear travel. So let's find that out, shall we? So, final verdict. Is the Gateron Type R a switch or witch? In my opinion, I think this is a switch. This switch offers such a unique typing experience that no other tactile switches have at the moment. It sounds super good out of the box. You don't need any modding done to it, unlike the Cherry MX Browns. Disgusting. So, you should definitely switch to these switches right now. Come to Mecca, Malaysia and try them out.